We are pleased to show you the 2019 RS5. Don't think too hard. That's the key with the Audi RS5. Just get in and drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, sport suspension, power brakes, braking assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.